Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about the basics of Excel in both Hindi as well as in English. So it will be a combination of both. Let me first introduce that the topmost part is called the ribbon where you can see home, insert, page layout and other kind of things. तो इसको आके हम लोग रिबन कहते हैं. इससे हम लोग कई तरह के ऑपरेशंस कर सकते हैं. And then you have when you want to do something bold or when you want to do italics, these kind of things are there. So this is called the row part, this is called the column part, and then you have the worksheets where you can do lot of sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 separately. So these were generally about Excel, and then we can type whatever we want, like Sunday, anything which you like, and when you press enter, it will go down. You can see that from D7 it has gone to D8, then D9, then D10. Then you can use your arrow keys to go right, then to go left, to go up, then to go down. Uh, these things you can do it, and like when you, after clicking on the cell, if you click bold, the thing will get bold. इसका शॉर्टकट की है कंट्रोल प्लस बी. तो जब आप कंट्रोल प्लस बी सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो अपने आप वो बोल्ड चला जाएगा. और अलाइनमेंट के लिए आप इसको सेंटर में भी कर सकते हैं या साइड वाइज कर सकते हैं. फिर आप इसका सेल कॉलम का विड्थ भी बढ़ा सकते हैं, कम करा सकते हैं, या इसको डबल क्लिक करने से इस it will become exactly, and these things are there. Then if you want to color it, then you can color it. It's up to you. Or for doing undo, you need to select Control plus Z. So I have colored and automatically it has gone to the previous activity. So these things can happen. So you can do this with cut. Then and if you want to paste it, you can paste it here, or you can use multiple times. If you want to use, you can do Control plus V. These things can happen. So like you have then the insert option where you can create tables, then you can make charts. These are kind of advanced things. I will be uploading the next videos later on. And you have the page layout where you can set the layout of the page. You can make it as horizontal or landscape also. These things can happen. Then you have the formulas part. This can be used in financial things. Then you have the data where this kind of these are things of advanced things. You can filter it. Suppose if you have headings for this. So later on I will be telling you the next things. These are just the basics things which I wanted to cover. See you in the next video.